Well, newbie 3D printer things. You've got your shiny new printer. You've assembled it. You think it's going to work. Now, where do we put it? Well, where I recommend you put it is on a sturdy table or desk that's not going to move around a lot when the printer is moving quickly and changing direction quickly. You want to reduce vibration as much as possible. So most printers have rubber feet. I just happen to have this old overgrown mouse pad sitting here, and it's sitting on that for now. Also on carpet, but that's just the room I'm in. Try to get your printer level. Don't sweat it too much when you're starting. I live in an old Victorian house, and this particular room sags very badly. So I have shimmed my other printer up to make sure it's fairly level. Because, of course, filament is molten when it comes out, and it takes a lot, but if you're really not level, you can have some issues. So what you're really trying to do is you're just trying to reduce variables. If you can put the printer in a room where you can close the door and keep the temperature variations down, that would be great. If not, if you just have the kind of place that's, you can put it in the corner of your living room, that's fine. You can get your hands on a 3D printer enclosure. They're not super expensive. Or, you can build something, or you can just try it and see, because sometimes things just work okay where they are. But definitely the sturdiness of your table makes a big difference. You don't have to go hog wild, but you probably don't want to use a folding table. So that's kind of the idea. You want to keep it away if you're in a wood-framed sort of place, and people, walking by really have an effect. Try keeping a low-traffic area, just because the movement of the floors and things could affect the printer. But otherwise, honestly, just print. Get the printer on a reasonably sturdy table and just start printing. You'll do just fine.